Hey fam, it's your mentor Josao here again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 steps to becoming profitable this 2025, and it's very beginner friendly. However, before I move further, I just want to wish you guys happy new year, and I want to appreciate you guys for the support, the love, encouragement in 2024, and I pray this 2025 is going to be victorious for each and every one of us here. Always keep focusing, and together we are in this together. Without wasting time, let's jump right into this video. Step 1: learn the basic. When you're jumping into something new, it is very important for you to have a solid foundation. For you to have a solid foundation, it means you need to learn the basics. In terms of trading, you need to understand all these basic terminologies and other necessary tools. For example, what is Forex? What is crypto? What is stock? What is synthetic indices? What is a pip? What is a pipette? What is lot size? What is leverage? The types of lot size, do you know? Like what is a margin call, stop loss, take profits, risk management, and all necessary details. You must be able to learn how to read a chart as well. You don't want to jump like just start trading immediately without understanding all this. I know trading is more of practical, but focusing on the theoretical aspects for you to understand this is going to save you like a whole lot of money, and it's going to help you save your time as well. So if you're a complete beginner or you are already into trading but you are not making cash, ensure to focus on learning the basics so you have a solid foundation. Step 2: choose your market. You can't be everywhere. When you are everywhere, it means you are nowhere. You can't be trading crypto, forex, stocks, static indices, and all if you are just into the market very new. You need to focus on one market. Try to master a particular market, then you can now move to another market. You can either start with forex, later move to crypto or indices. However, just focus on one market. I see like a lot of beginners are trading for currencies today. Tomorrow they are trading stock. To next tomorrow they are trading for crypto, and the next day they are into indices. The markets are all different in one way or the other. It is very important for you, if you're a complete beginner, for you to focus on one market, try to master one market and know what is working for you. What is working for me might not be working for you. So you need to pay key attention in order for you to know what is working for you. So ensure to focus on one market. Step 3: use a demo account. What is a demo account? A demo account is an account that is being provided to you by your broker with virtual funds. This means like fake money. Demo account helps you to do different things. The first thing is it helps you to understand the interface of the brokerage account. For example, how to deposit, how to withdraw, and it's also going to help you to know how to like do different things in the platform, how to set up your leverage. And it's also going to help you to practice your strategy. You are not just going to jump into the real market immediately. You need to understand all the necessary tools in the brokerage account before you start trading your real account. So demo is very important. In as much as I'm not a big fan of trading demo for a long time, however, it is very essential for you to pay attention to demo. So it's going to help you to know this strategy is working or it's not working. At the end of the day, you can proceed to the next level. So ensure you always focus on trading demo. If you are going to do demo, make sure you don't deposit like what huge amount of cash. Only deposit like fund in your demo account that you know you can be able to afford when you're going to start trading real account. What do I mean by this? If you can afford $100 as a beginner when trading your real account, only ensure to deposit $100 in your demo account. That is with the $100. So it's going to become way more easier when you start trading your real account. If you start trading with $10,000, this is going to push you to open big lot sizes, and you're going to make like massive loss, or you're going to make a lot of win, and you start thinking of buying Lamborghini and this other expensive luxury stuff. Step 4: learn risk management. Risk management is going to help you protect your funds. You don't want to just lose your money. You don't want to deposit and you are not withdrawing at all if you're a complete beginner. So in order for you to learn risk management, you need to focus on two things. The first thing is focus on risk to reward ratio. What do I mean by risk to reward ratio? It means when you deposit like $10, you are risking $10 to make $20. You are risking $10 to make 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $100, or as the case might be. Please note, The minimum risk to reward is supposed to be 1:2. If I'm risking $1, I'm supposed to go for $2. So you don't want to risk $1 to make what $1. That's not like what a solid risk to reward ratio. You are risking $1 to make $2. So if the trade goes in your favor, it means you are going to make $2. But if the trade is against you, you are all going to lose what $1. So it's not about like the trade, the amount of trades you win. Okay, you can just win like 4 trades and you lost like 6 trades. However, you are still going to become a profitable trader, because if your risk of reward is what 1:2, and at the end of the day you win like 4 trades, it's going to be 2 times 4 is going to be 8, and the lose amount is just going to be 6. So 8 minus 6 is still going to be 2. You are 2% still up. So ensure you focus on your risk to reward ratio. The second thing you need to focus on when it comes to risk management is always ensure to use stop loss. If you fail to use stop loss, it means like you are ready to risk the entire cash. So always ensure you use stop loss. If you get used to not using stop loss, be ready to lose like a lot of cash and all. So ensure to focus on risk to reward and that of using stop loss in terms of risk management. Step 5, master your trading psychology. Trading has to deal with 80% psychology and 20% has to deal with your strategy and other related tools. You need to be able to focus on mastering and developing your trading psychology. This has to deal with discipline, it has to deal with grit and you focusing on your trading plan. Never go against your trading plan. For example, let's say you have like $20 in your trading account, and from the plan you say you're only going to risk $2 per trade, but you move against your plan, is going to, which means you are completely out of your plan. So there's possibility of what you losing that particular account, you blowing up the account completely. So it is always important to like avoid being greedy and you stick towards your plan. That's how you tend to develop your trading psychology. You don't want to just be greedy. You and I know, like, this is the first time you are making $10, you are seeing $10 profit. It is always good to collect the little profit instead of like you are waiting to hit TP. Like, I'm not saying you should not wait for your trade to hit TP and all if you know your analysis is correct. However, there are sometimes you don't need to wait. If you are a beginner, it is better to collect the $10, the $5, the $2, $3. You want to start very slow. As you are going to keep scaling. So ensure you develop your trading psychology. Step 6, develop a trading strategy. When you want to develop a trading strategy that is very effective, it must contain 2 major things. I see like most beginners and even professional traders are skipping this part. This is the reason why you are going to take long time to become profitable. The first thing a strategy must contain is an area for technical like tools. For example, you using support and resistance like chart patterns, candlestick patterns and all. You must have area for technical tools where you are going to what your condition for entry and also for closing trade, where it's going to be your stop loss, your take profit, your risk to reward. It must contain like what risk management and all. The second thing is like traders fail to like include fundamental into their strategy. Don't forget, if you are trading currencies or you are into like what for crypto, there is going to be like what news. We are going to have like what fundamentals and all. Let's say you are trading NFP. How are you going to be able to handle your strategy? Must be able to handle news. I see like most traders, beginners and professionals, like tend up to blow up accounts. They will be trading, they are making like huge profits, and all of a sudden they just blow up account because of NFP, CPI, or any news without them knowing like, okay, there's news at this particular time. So your strategy must be able to have technical and that of fundamental analysis compliance. Step 7, start small with real money. Now, when you have developed what all these previous steps, all right, your psychology, your trading plan, your trading strategy, you now want to what jump into the real market. You starting small with real cash is going to help your psychology, because when you trade demo and that of trading real account, psychology is completely different. So you want to start small, and when you're going to start trading real account, always ensure to follow the same discipline you have been using in your demo account. And the next thing is focus on using the smallest lot size of a particular pair or the asset you are trading. For example, if you are trading currencies, as a beginner, only focus on using 0.01. Yes, I know 0.01 is not going to buy you the Lambo or build you the dream house. Now, you starting small in your real account, it's not about winning big money. It's about testing the strategy to see if your strategy is working. So when you are going to scale up in the future, let's say you just deposit $10, later you might be able to afford $50, $100, $1,000. You are now sure, or you are now like 90% guaranteed of what you making profit. So ensure you follow the same discipline and you go easy. Step 8, track your progress. This is so important. Tracking your progress has to do with journaling. You need to be able to take notes when you enter a trade, before you exit the trade, and after closing a trade. You must be able to pen down, summarize, so you tend to learn from your mistake and you are going to be able to correct them, or you know like what is working for you. For example, you are going to be able to pick up, all right, I have like 6 winning trading Zaro, or I have 6 winning trading GBP USD or USD JPY or any other currency pair. You're going to be able to know like, okay, it seems like I tend to win more trading this pair, and I'm able to win more trade this particular trading session. For example, let's say you're trading the New York or the London session. So you must be able to like journal your trade, so you track your progress and you learn from your mistake and you know what is working for you. It is very important for you to journal. If you want a journal template, kindly ensure to check the description to join my Telegram community. I have a free template and checklist which you can just start with, and later as you go you can customize to yours that fit your comfort. Step 9, learn continuously. You are always going to keep learning. As long as you are in the trading game, you need to stay updated with the current market trend, what is going on in the industry, what might be working today or this month is not going to be working the next few months coming up. So you always want to stay updated. You always want to like just keep learning. All right, you learn and you relearn again. This is like what very paramount. All right, now we have like what lot of resources. You have like YouTube, you have baby pips and other like places, all right, which you can just go to like to get a lot of other information. However, when it comes to like continuous learning, you need to be able to know what you are going to take in and what you are giving out and from whom you are learning from. Because when you learn from the wrong individual, no knowledge is like useless. However, you need to know what you are going to take in and from who, because it is very important. This is going to help you, or it's going to determine how you are going to become profitable, or how long it's going to take you to become profitable. Step 10, be patient and be consistent. Patience is very key when it comes to trading, and you showing up every day, which is consistency. Whether good day, bad day, ensure you always try to show up. You might not be trading every day. When you blow up account, just take a break. Try to always find a reason. Never jump into a trade again to open another position if you don't know the reason why you blow up your account or why you lost that particular trade. You can just take a break for a day or a week or two if possible, as long as you want. Ensure that you are still like practicing. You can go back to your demo and try to see. Avoid event trading, and you want to go very easy. Avoid flipping accounts, like taking your $10 to $100 or taking your $100 to $1,000. You just want to go very easy and you start scaling. In order to summarize everything, when you start making a little bit of profit, always ensure you are never a professional or a profitable trader if you are not withdrawing. The only way you can make mama proud, the only way you can see results from trading is when you withdraw. Always ensure to withdraw the $10, the $20, $30, $40, $50 as a complete beginner, because that is going to be a form of motivation that yes, you are able to do more if you just put in more work and energy. Be patient and be consistent. If you find value in this particular tutorial, ensure to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share this video to others, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. If you want to start trading with us, ensure to check the link in the description to create your account and also join our community for free. I'm Josao. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa.